Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will share with you braised shark fin. This time it will be filmed in two parts. The first video is soaked shark fin. The second video is making broth. Rinse them off first. Then steamed. When the water boils, add the shark fin. Turn to low heat and steam for an hour. Prepare a large basin of cold water. Depends on the temperature of the day. Hong Kong is only 10 degrees today, so no need to add ice cubes. If the temperature is high in summer, ice cubes must be added. When the shark's fin is steamed, put it in cold water. Wait until it cools down before handling it. After it cools down, check for impurities that need to be cleaned. Very lucky this time, they were very clean. Change the water, put in the refrigerator for 12 hours, and then process. This state is still hard and unedible. Put it in the fridge and process it tomorrow. 12 hours later, has become much thicker. However, it cannot be eaten. It must be steamed again. Before steaming, check again for impurities that need to be cleaned. If clean enough, can be steamed. Put them on a plate. Press with an object. The reason is that I don't want it to fall apart. If you don't press it down and it falls apart, it won't look pretty. Add 2 slices of ginger. Add water to cover the surface. Add weight. Press it down. Steam for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, test whether it is firm enough to eat. Deal with it in 2 hours. After 2 hours, test whether it is firm enough to eat. Have a test. Pull out a shark fin and try it. I think it's edible. With small running water. Otherwise, the shark fin will be washed away and affect the appearance of the finished product. Wait for it to cool down. After it cools, put in a plastic bag, put in the fridge. To serve, remove from refrigerator and defrost. Add broth and serve. The advantage of independent packaging is that it will not stick to each other and cause it to fall apart. This semi-finished product can make a variety of dishes. It is recommended that you make it a few days in advance to avoid rush during the Chinese New Year. Today's soaked shark fin is the last episode. The next episode will share how to make braised shark fin broth. Thanks for watching.